Hi there.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gardner,
I'm Mr. Cotton.
and today we're going to continue the process of creating a website in HTML.
Okay, we're going to talk today about adding heading and paragraph tags in HTML.
Yeah, maybe you can help me with that, Mr. Cotton, because what I've got here is what we made last time. So here we've got 4 lines in an HTML file called index.html. This doc type, this sort of tag thing with triangular brackets, a close tag, and then this first line of my website. And if I switch over to where I saved it, you can see an Internet Explorer browser icon, double click on it, opens browser, and welcome to my dog walking website.
Looks great so far.
So what I want to do today is add a bit more detail. So I'm just going to put a new line, line 4, before the close tag. Yeah, and I'm going to put, let me walk your dog when you don't have time. Okay.
So what you need to save that now.
So I'll click on the disk,
That's
and
it.
then I can just go back to Internet Explorer and
Click
press
refresh.
the refresh wheel.
F5 would also do it, but
Oh, very good.
there's your problem.
Yeah, so I wanted them to be on separate lines, and what's happened here is that they're on the same line. So what have I got to do? What have I done wrong?
Okay, well, if you go back to your code, it's quite easy. You just have to put tags around every line that you've made. Okay, so the tag that we need is a paragraph tag. Which
Oh, I
means
guess because
a
they're going to be
normal
separate
line.
paragraphs.
Yeah, they are going to be technically separate paragraphs. And all you have to do that, so at the beginning of line 3, before the W of welcome, we need to put in a paragraph tag. And
So
simply
what do
to
I do
remember, you have to open your bracket again,
The
which
triangular
is the
thing.
left hand sign.
Yep.
Then it's a P for paragraph.
Just the letter P.
Yep, just the P.
Small letters.
Then close it off the other end like that. Okay, and then the other end of that sentence, after the exclamation mark, you need to now do the closing version of the P tag,
which is the same but with a slash in it.
with the slash.
Just
And
before the letter.
to remind you, look at the line 5 is how we close HTML.
Yeah, that's how I knew
Reminder.
that one. It's got a slash in there already.
You've got to do that for every line that you want.
Or
so
every
you're gonna have to do,
paragraph,
or every
yeah.
paragraph, I should say. So you need to do the same thing with line 4 now.
Okay, so I'll put a P in there.
Yep.
And you can't quite see it because it's gone off the edge, but I'll get to the end and put a slash
Yep.
P.
So now, if you resave that again,
Okay, click on the disk
and then go back to your website and refresh.
and refresh.
There you go.
Yay, 2 paragraphs. Okay, now what I really want is I want the welcome to my dog walking website to stand out because that's like the heading.
Okay.
So is there a simple way to do that?
Well, funnily enough, there is a heading tag in
Okay.
HTML as well,
Well,
which
let's
is quite
use
handy. They've
that
thought of
then.
everything. Instead of putting a P, you'd put H for heading.
So I
H.
just changed that.
There's a little bit more. H1.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if you go to the other end, of course you have to close whatever you've opened, and it has to match. So we'll say H1.
H1 in there as well.
Yep. Save, refresh. See what you think.
Okay, let's go back. Press refresh. Hey! Perfect.
More of a heading style.
Brilliant. Thank you, Mr. Scott.
No problem.